What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, bringing you a new video on our new arrival. Just got this car in, 1989 Chevrolet IROC Camaro. Man, this is a cool car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. I'm going to go through it with you. First off, as you see, it's got a custom wide body, all hand done. It's got a side exhaust off the side there. This car's got an LS engine. I believe it's an LS7 based engine. Excuse my voice, everybody. I'm a little congested here. You got a Lexan back hatch here. Nice little duck lid spoiler or lip. It's just got that really nice appearance. Forgeline wheels, disc brakes all the way around, big brakes, Brembos, fiberglass hood. It's got your IROC graphics. Go ahead, open the doors. The doors all open and close nicely. The interior is they retain the original look. You got a roll bar in here, a fire extinguisher, which every classic car should have a fire extinguisher. Some racing buckets, racing style buckets with the harnesses. Gives it a cool look, and you fit right in there. They're pretty comfy, actually. Got the custom auto meter gauges, custom steering wheel, tilt wheel. It's got a T56. Your switch panel there. You got your heater controls up there. Really, really cool car. Doors open and close nicely, as I stated. The body is in really nice shape. This is a very, very cool car. Kind of like a Pro Touring custom build. Very fun to drive. And you could drive it anywhere. It drives great. Other side, as you can see, all the door jambs are in great shape. Everything, you know, I don't know how many miles this car has on it. The body, the gauges say 2290. That's the aftermarket gauges. But it had to be a pretty low mileage car because look at this. The body is extremely clean. Here's your roll bar. Headliner looks good. Very, very, very cool car. I love this thing. It has a sinister appearance. Let's go ahead and take a seat here. Sit nice in here. Like I said, very snug. Very nice. Let's go ahead and start it up. of a beefed up V8. As you see, it's even got heat. Let's go ahead and shut it off. Man, this car's beyond cool. Interior is really, really clean. The dash is in great shape. As you can see, it's got the roll cage, but you know, it works. It really it flows in here. Nice and smooth. Pretty easy to get in and out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you under the hood now. Give me one moment, guys. Here we are under the hood. There's your LS engine. As you can see, engine bay is really clean. Very nice. I'll tell you the engine specs here in a minute, but you can see this thing, no expense was spared on this car. Aeromotive fuel system. Very nice setup. So as you can see, I got the hood closed. Just looks really sinister. This is just an awesome car. The Forgeline wheels, everything just works. Just an awesome car. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. This is one of two of our showrooms. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. So give us a call. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. Our phone number is 847-848-1850. Again, 847-848-1850. Here's some of our beautiful inventory. We have a lot to choose from. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed as well. So ask your service representative or your sales representative for a service quote. And they will speak to service, get a service quote. But all of our cars are sold as is, unless it is stated otherwise, of course. And just give us a call. We'll sort you out. And remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope everyone has a great day. And I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Mr. Jenkins out. Bye-bye.